This right here is the BCM gas grill. Blaze kept it simple. No gimmicks, no extra nonsense, just straight up power that gets the job done. Built like a tank, and that lifetime warranty, yeah, they're basically telling you to use it forever. You've got options, 3 or 4 burners. Depending on how big your crew is, comes in a 25 or 32 inches, propane or natural gas. Throw it on a cart or drop it into your outdoor kitchen. Either way, it fits right in. Done deal. By focusing on pure cooking performance instead of flashy extras, Blaze can deliver a premium grill at a practical price. Under the hood, real deal hardware, commercial grade 304 stainless steel burners, 14,000 BTUs each. That's steady heat, even when you need to take it to low and slow, or crank it up and put a hard sear on a steak. Controls are simple. Each burner runs on its own, plus heat zone separators, keeping everything right. You want a screaming hot ribeye on one side and veggies chilling on the other? No problem. You're in control the whole time. And these grates, heavy duty 9mm stainless steel that holds heat. They don't mess around, and they leave those clean steakhouse sear marks every time. Lighting it up, easy. Push, turn, done. No clicking forever, no messing with matches, just fire it up and get to cooking. Clean up, full wide width drip tray, removable baffles, slide it in, clean it out, keep moving. No drama. The whole grill's wrapped in 304 stainless steel, built to sit outside and take whatever it comes with it. Rain, heat, time, doesn't matter. This thing is built to last. So if you're looking for something that just works, no guessing, no babysitting, the Blaze BCM is built tough, cooks right, and does exactly what you need it to do. Hit the link below, tap the screen, or head over to BBQGuys and grab yours. I'm Chris, and I appreciate you hanging out. Now go fire that thing up. Done deal.